Hello, welcome to the new video where I will show you how to make a curve starting from 45 degrees angle. I'm on my city server. Here is good old Stepan or Nectar. I'm in neighborhood Sporatus, which will be built until 6th June 2024, and that day is also 2 years of city. To get started, you need to know how to make curve starting from 0 degrees angle. So you make this above in air, you make this one line featuring all road markings. Then you place some block on left or right side depending where you want your curve to go, and you stack this block radius minus one block. You go to this block and type magical command HCYL block and radius, and you also, and this, since this is 3 blocks wide, this is going to be radius plus 4. So if radius 30, this is going to be 34 block, 35, 36, 37, 38 block, 40th block, and so on. You get the idea. You can check out Alpine's tutorial for more information. The biggest problem, and the only problem we currently face to get center of circle. We can calculate that using Pythagorean theorem.
Before we start calculating center of our circle, it is very recommended that you know following three things. Basic knowledge of solving algebraic expressions, that you know to work with powers and square roots, and that you know to work with Pythagorean theorem, which we are going to use. This is our 0 degrees angle road, right? And this is our circle, right? This is our circle, and our circle has a little is going to have small straight path, and which is exactly in the middle. So let's say in the middle, and we do this like air, and here is our center of circle. Air is radius, but our road is at 45 degrees angle. But we can, and this is, but, and we are going to extend this to get here a 90 degrees angle, and here to get 45 degrees angle. Now we can actually close this shape to get a square, and now we're going to start using Pythagorean theorem. Now, what is Pythagorean theorem? Well, for every right angled triangle you have, you can calculate size C if you have A and B. So you can do A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. And also you can get size B if you have C and A. That's for every right angled triangle. And here is our right angle triangle, like this. This is our angle triangle, and this is going to be length to get circle center, like this. Then we are going to do here to draw a circle. This will tell us side D for C will tells us where is center of circle located. Now this is a little bit mess. Let's redraw that. Okay. Now this since this is a square, and all sides of square are same length. A, A, A. We will only focus on this part right here. We will mark this as side D, and these sides are A. Now we can do some math. So D squared is A squared plus A squared. So D squared is 2A squared. Now we are going to remove powers by using square root, because in mathematics you can perform opposite operations on both sides of equations and result won't change. So it's same. Equations are like balance. So if you add something on both sides, it's going to be in balance. So you're going to apply square root here. So D is equal to A times square root of 2. I don't have a graphics tablet, so please excuse me for very horrible mouse writing. Okay, so if you have worked in school, if you ever worked with Pythagorean theorem, you probably know this in your head, like you know it already, but there will be probably some watcher who don't know Pythagorean theorem, and I want to explain them what's Pythagorean theorem and how we calculated side D. And now we can apply our numbers for the video. In video we use radius 30, so we're going to do 30 times square root of 2. D is equal to 42.43, and in Minecraft we can only use we can only approximate on a whole number, so we're going to approximate this on 42 approximation sign, and we have got our result.
Center of circle is 42 blocks away from this block, because we are doing right curve, so we're going right 42 blocks. This is approximated, and there will be some approximation errors along the way, just because square root of 2 is not final number. It has infinitely many digits beyond decimal point, so we have to approximate that. Now let's do 42 blocks. Now we can see that x and y coordinates are decreasing as we go that way, so we can actually calculate where our block will be, and we can actually use set block command to put that center. If you however do not have access to set block command, because that's quite possible, we can use post1 and post2 bold edit commands, and you are going to need bold edit for this. You can go to Minecraft plot generator website, but I recommend word edit approach. 276, and here is our block. Now we're going to do selection cuboid, select these 2 points and do /line red wall, and here is our center of circle. Now we can run this magic circle command, pass block, and do double the radius. So our radius 30, we're going to do 60. Before I do this, I have to move this more into air because I have a mountain here. I'm more into air. Now I'm going to run magical command. Double the radius, and it's aligned, which is good. It's not 100% aligned, but it's good. It's approximation error. Now let's do for all road markings. Okay, so curve is generated, and now we maybe come to hardest part, and that is aligning this, because everything is blocky and it's hard to align. It's easy to make mistakes when aligning something like this. So I can go here. So we have four back, let's see if we make things, but if you're not over, then you don't have to support back. Let's use the now. Use the beach. That's all the case around. Insert also insert out. Non-professional lines. So it's right, means here. That have you not. Also, you can triangle. Also, empty line. Okay, everything is now aligned, and we can move this to the ground. But let's remove extra stuff which we don't need and which is easy to remove. And this is circle. So don't forget to check out my building server. And don't forget that until 6th June, at least 50% of Sporeto's neighborhood will be finished. Now I'm going to switch to selection poly to move to place this down easier. Hello, Fatrix, he is state attorney. We are also, by the way, building and roleplay server, so our ranks are roleplay based and active on server. So this flag tells World to remove to ignore air blocks, so it doesn't move air blocks, which can destroy your build or your grounding, or your ground, your build, or your markings in this case. So this looks okay. Yes, this looks well, and we can move this to the ground. I'm going to switch to selection poly again. Now I'm going to do 60A, and this is it. Road is here. We made curve starting from 45 degrees angle, and that's it. If you have any questions, ask them in comment section. And now you can fill this using fill command. Don't forget to like this video if you found this tutorial useful, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content.